Green horizons.
Creating a beautiful orchid garden is a journey into the realm of elegance, sophistication, and natural beauty. Orchids, with their exquisite blooms and delicate allure, have captivated the hearts of gardeners and enthusiasts for centuries, and designing a garden that showcases their splendor is a labor of love and artistry. Here are some tips to help you create an orchid garden that is as enchanting as it is breathtaking. Choose the right location. Orchids thrive in environments that provide ample light, humidity, and air circulation. Select a location for your orchid garden that receives bright, indirect light for most of the day, such as a shaded patio, a covered porch, or a greenhouse. Avoid placing orchids in direct sunlight, as this can cause their delicate blooms to fade and wilt. Select the right orchids. There are thousands of orchid species and hybrids to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and requirements. Research different types of orchids to find ones that are well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Consider factors such as temperature, humidity, and water requirements, and choose orchids that are compatible with the environment you can provide. Create the ideal growing conditions. Orchids thrive in well-draining growing mediums that allow their roots to breathe and prevent water from pooling around their delicate stems. Use a specialized orchid mix or create your own by combining bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. Ensure that your orchids receive adequate water, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot and other problems. Provide support and structure. Many orchids are epiphytic, meaning they grow attached to trees or other surfaces in their natural habitat. Mimic this growing environment by providing support for your orchids to cling to, such as trellises, stakes, or hanging baskets.
Damn.